Oh, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. I'm again with another unboxing. I have a purse for you guys from the famous American brand Guess. Original come from the website of the Guess. Look at this beautiful pack from Guess. Let me take this off from here. Lovely packaging. Wow, this is original leather purse for women. You see, wow, beautiful. G is written here. G for Guess. Small inscribed Guess written here. Guess. See, high quality premium leather. You can smell leather. Smell as a leather. Original Guess. This case. Here also. Right, and you can see genuine leather. You have many Rexing product around the world, but this is genuine leather. Beautiful pack. It's a button here. This one, this should be a button. Wow. There we go. You have two buttons. You can put in any one you like. Here you can put as many cards as you want. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8 on paper. Here at the middle. Let's take this off. So 4, 4, 8, and here more 1, 2, 3, 8 and 3, 11, 11, 3, 14 card you can put. Meanwhile you have more pack inside here. Sticker you have inside here, also one paper from Guess. Okay, lovely. This side you have one chain. This off paper you have. You see how beautiful quality this product. Take this off. Wow, beautiful, premium quality, big brand, high quality product. You see how chain all the way you can open. I think here, let's see. So you can have more place if you want. You can put your phone inside. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's try this one. It goes inside. You can close as well. Very high quality premium product. More thing right, and genuine leather sticker. You see, it's safe from stealing, so your card nobody can take. Lovely thinking from Guess. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.